Good morning, good afternoon, good evening mga Vilmates and Vilmanians. This is Ambet Nabus live here from the grounds of Harvard University, and we have this day or today we're going to interview a very dear friend, isang Vilmanian na talaga namang naapektuhan din ng mga body of works at na-inspire sa isang Vilma Santos. And this is going to be a pleasant interviewing dahil itong tao na to ay talaga namang wow, sa tagal-tagal niya na po dito sa Amerika. Eto na po tayo. So I'm gonna introduce my friend, Mr. Jeric De Lucientos. Paano mo nakilala ang isang Vilma Santos?
Since maliit pa ako, my mom used to watch her movies, and until now, pinapanood niya pa rin because she's one of the best ever since. Napakagaling niya. So, syempre, nanonood yung mama ko, I watch with her, and nakikita ko yung ano niya, yung galing niya.
In a way, paano mo masasabing naapektuhan ka or ikaw na-influence ka ng mga movies or television shows or kahit ibang mga ginagawa ng isang Vilma Santos?
Yeah, one in particular movie that stuck in my head, it really hits home, was yung Anak. So malaki yung impact ni Miss Vilma Santos and the way she carries herself not just in movies but sa labas din.
Correct.
So I applaud that kind of individual na napaka-humble niya in spite of all the success that she's had in her life.
Hello, this is Mr. Fu at hello naman po sa inyong lahat.
Yeah, Mr. Fu, anong pagkakakilala mo sa isang Vilma Santos?
Ay nako, talagang kinarir na niya ang pagiging star for all seasons. Wala siyang pinipiling panahon dahil si Ate V ay relevant kahit anong okasyon, anong panahon. Wow, Vilmania na Vilmania. Si Ate V kasi sa pagkakasubaybay ko sa kanya, hindi siya basta-basta gumagawa ng proyekto para lang masabi na minagawa siyang proyekto. Kumbaga, lalo na nung mga latter years ng kanyang karera, talagang pinipili niya na maging maayos, maging maganda at may impluwensya yung gagawin niyang proyekto. Kaya nararapat lamang na bigyan siya ng parangal.
So I'm RV Mariano.
Why do you think Vilma Santos deserves the National Artist Award?
Well, first of all, I'm so surprised na hindi pa siya na-awardan nito. So I was really surprised that we are doing this for her to get that award, because I really have to thank her for her to be out there na tinitingala
At
nire-represent ang kababaihan, because dahil ako nga ay babae, I look at her as an inspiration. So she can do anything. So sabi ko, if she can be a housewife, she can be a politician, she can be an artist, a singer, a dancer, and everything else, a lola, a mother, well, anybody can look at her and say, wow, I can do that too. So she is really an inspiration for everyone, especially for mga babaeng tulad ko.
Alam mo ba ang isang Vilma Santos?
Yes, of course.
Anong pagkakakilala mo sa isang Vilma Santos?
Well, mostly apart from being politician, si Vilma, laki ako sa household na maraming tumatangkilik kay Vilma sa iba't ibang klase niyang pelikula. And ako, syempre, magkaiba naman kami ng generation. Hindi ako laking Vilma, pero knowing na nadidinig mo siya from time to time, you get to recognize a Vilma Santos when it comes to charisma, politics, and mostly sa film and entertainment industry. Tapos naalala ko yung When I Met You in Tokyo. As if na parang timeless ang isang Vilma Santos. For me, she's a veteran, she's award-winning, and isa talaga siya sa mga ugat na dito sa industry.
For you, Edwin, what is a national artist for you?
Well, a national artist is actually somebody who actually embodies, or it's the pinnacle of being able to give the best in a person that actually was able to contribute to the movie industry, to politics and all, not only by herself but also her peers. It's the recognition, it's the broad spectrum of all the international and national organizations that actually gave her awards domestically and internationally, and the critical acclaim and the reviews by her own firms, by her own peers, and at the same time be able to at least give the discipline of what it is to be a national artist.
Nako, ako kasi personally, sabi ko nga, si Ate V talaga ang una ko napanood na aktres sa sinihan. Mula pa sa Haplos, Sinasamba Kita. Pero parang sa mga aktres na meron tayo ngayon, isa si Ate V yung sa napakadaming list ng pelikulang nagawa. Pero halos lahat yon pwede mong makonsider na talagang dekalidad at saka most of them are considered classic na rin, no? Yan. So, para sa akin, si Ate B ang isa sa mga tunay na alagad ng sining.
Ako, hindi ko siya kaidaran, but still, she's always out there. As I mentioned, ako po, hindi ako user ng TikTok, but I see her all the time. And on Facebook feed, makikita niyo po ang Ate V.
Oo.
Nagsasayaw, nagbibigay ng mensahe, nagbibigay ng pagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, pati po sa amin na nandito sa Canada. She gives us that inspiring messages through social media and the digital world. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya nabilanggo doon sa 6 decades ago na kanyang evolving environment. But yet again, she kept up with change of times, and that is being in the digital world.
That's true.
Correct.
Kasi po ang isang national artist, tampok po talaga yung body of work niya yun sa literature, sa cinema. And I think na Miss Vilma Santos is an embodiment of that po. Kasi dami na po niyang works na very memorable. Not just sa mga parents natin, but also syempre for us youth na that's studying film rin po.
Yung kanyang delivery of her lines, yung kanyang demonstration in a physical manner, bakit hindi mo tatawagin na artist yun? At saka yung na-impart niya sa Philippine cinema, that is incomparable. And I don't know if anybody can still do what she has done. Yung mga nagawa ni Ate V para maging example sa mga susunod pa sa kanya. Yun, hindi na yun mapapantayan. And like I said, kaya niyang i-transform ang kanyang sarili from one role to another without a hitch, without a difficulty.
A national artist for me is not only someone who, well, of course, a person in arts, but someone who inspires, not just creates, but inspires in their own field to make more and deliver just as much quality as how many projects they've ever done. Yeah.
Now, 6 decades na siya sa industry, 60 years is very long. Sa tingin mo ba, is it about time for her to be bested or to be bestowed the National Artist Award? The highest recognition that a government can give to an artist?
For sure, 100% yan. Nakita natin yung career niya, kung paano siya umangat, lahat ng roles kaya niyang gampanan. Marami siyang naging award sa FAMAS or other festivals. So, I believe na karapat-dapat siya maging National Artist Award.
For you, what is a national artist?
For me, a national artist is someone who embodies yung a good reputation sa mga roles sa kanyang ginagampanan. Mahusay siya at mahusay siya makisama sa kanyang mga kapwa-artista.
Professional, on and off camera.
On and off camera, that's correct.
Okay.
And then,
Inspiration.
Sa lahat, maging sa ordinary mamamayan o kahit nung napunta siya sa politika. She's really good.
Vilma Santos Recto, she is a very good actress, of course. One of her kind. And makikita din natin all through the years. I mean, from the 80s up until to the current days, she still acts. So, isa siya sa respetadong actress we have in our industry. And ayun, it's really surprising hanggang ngayon she still carries that talent.
Bilang isang Gen Z or millennial, dahil sobrang bata ka pa, ano yung impression mo para sabihin makonsider na pwede nang tawaging national artist ang isang Vilma Santos?
Actually, dapat matagal na kasi Vilma Santos, parang noon, di ba, nung way back, matagal na silang prepare against kay Nora, and si Nora naging national artist, but I really strongly believe that this time dapat si Miss Vilma Santos should already have this award na din.
So ano ang tingin mo, ano masasabi mo na it's about time siguro na maparangalan siya bilang national artist sa Philippines?
I think it's long overdue. Kasi nga, she's done so many things, so many great movies, and she's empowered a lot of people, not just women, but men like myself. Na, you know, it's not just, you know, female actor or a female politician. She encompasses a lot of things. Na someone who inspires a lot of people and motivates a lot of people kasi nga dahil sa mga ginagawa niya. So, with that, na-inspire ako to pursue whatever I want in life. Kasi nga, kung nagagawa ng isang Vilma Santos from an actress to being a politician and to being a great mom, she has it all. She's doing it all.
She deserves this award. So, you know, 60 in show business, why not? She gave everything that she had.
For me, and it's about time that she gets this National Artist Award, because there'll never be a Vilma Santos, I believe, to be coming along the way. So might as well give her the National Artist Award because she is due it, and she is actually a national artist for me.
Do you believe she now deserves to be called national artist for film and broadcast arts? Is it about time?
Yeah, I'd say so. Based from all of her contributions for us, you know, on and off the camera, I'd say she's worthy of that title as well. Yeah, definitely.
Kasi si Ate V as an artist, hindi yung naibibigay niya in terms of entertainment, given na yun eh. Pero aside from that, tumawid pa siya pagdating sa public service na hanggang sa ilang taon o dekada na-prove naman natin yung magandang record din ni Ate V pagdating dito sa bagay na yan. Kaya para sa akin, si Ate V talaga hindi lang ngayon, noong pa nga dapat siguro kinonsider to be given this award, this National Artist Award.
Talagang makikita mo yung entirety mo from head to toe. Artista siya. Kaya nagtataka ko, bakit hindi maibigay sa kanya? To be honest, since my being a Vilmanian, I think she is the best. She is the best in the Philippines, and even, you know, like with Hollywood actresses, nothing can be compared.
If you were to give message to Ate V, ano gusto mong sabihin sa kanya?
Oh my God, it's so much pleasure.
Ate V.
We're solid fans po, Ate V. I hope they would give it to you. We're really praying for that they would give the National Artist Award because you really deserve it.
And it's a privilege po to be part of this interview, of this research, of this nomination.
Yeah.
Because you truly deserve to be the national artist of the Philippines.
Honestly,
and I thank you po for all of your inspiration, especially messages as a mom. Our struggles here abroad, you gave us that kind of a love, and it's extending around the world.